Good evening, everyone. We're going to be discussing a little about classroom-based language testing. Well, according to Tosunkoglu, it's kind of difficult to pronounce, in 2008, there are a variety of reasons to assess the foreign language teaching and learning process. One of the reasons is that assessment helps to determine the amount of students that have achieved the learning objectives. Students that have any difficulties with the learning and the technique that are useful during the teaching and learning process. The other reason implies the teacher's decision on whether continue the foreign language teaching program or not. Additionally, Taras 2005 claims that assessment is an important part of teaching since educators are able to determine the level of skills or knowledge of their students, which is right. As teachers, we are able to determine that because we talk to them every day, because we see them every day. We check their performance, their progress, if they're doing well or not, if they need help or not. So yes, this is completely true. Now, some researchers have investigated the differences between testing and assessment because it's kind of a controversy topic now. For example, Brown and Abiwikrama in 2019 claimed that these two terms are used as synonyms, but they mean something different. The authors suggest that assessment is an ongoing process that involves the use of a variety of methodological techniques, as for example, when teachers appraises students' performance when responding to a question, offering a command, or when trying a new word or structure. On the other hand, the authors argue that tests are a subset of assessment. For example, a test is a prepared administrative procedure that is implied at a certain time in a program such as a midterm exam, a final test, among others, formal tests. Testing involves measurement, measurement and evaluation of students' responses. According to Hughes in 2008, testing is one form of assessment which in nature is summative and can be used at the end of a term, the semester as well, or year to determine what groups and individuals have achieved. Thank you so much for your time, and this would be it. See you another day, guys.